The Dart Aerospace AW139 lightweight emergency float system with integrated life rafts provides the aircraft operating over water with a wide variety of benefits. These include up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms weight reduction, 50% fewer maintenance inspections, significant drag reduction and aesthetic improvement, can be retrofitted on existing fleet, spare parts availability. Dart's float system is designed for stability up to Sea State 6 and certified for ditching. The system holds 2 integrated and externally mounted life rafts. The life rafts can either be deployed from the cockpit by both pilots pulling a handle, or externally via a backup handle located on both sides forward of the main cabin door.